Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Love and this is Budget with Love. Today we are, let me zoom in here for you. So today Lewis got $1,371.92. I made $18.60 from a sponsorship, and then our total, his will be $1,371.92 and mine is $18.20. I do it like this because they come in different days. Our bills for this week will be our cell phone and my secondary credit card. Both of those have already been paid. I took out the taxes and the self amount for what I just made. Groceries, gas, vape, my allowance, my lunch, my husband's allowance, and his lunch, all right here. And then the sinking funds are right here, which we will go over when we do our cash stuffing. I paid $20 towards my credit card and $20 towards Lewis's student loan. Mortgage, we put $350 from Lewis's check into it, and then I put $12 to it because I didn't really make a lot of money. So we're going to jump on over to our cash stuffing. Today we are cash stuffing $318. As always, we're going to start with our wallet. Nothing goes into my personal one. Gas, we're going to pull out this 20 and set it aside. In vape, we're going to put in 40, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We're going to take this $10 bills and put it aside. So now we have $100 in vape, so I am not going to further cash stuff this until we start spending some of this. That is going to be all into my wallet. Let's jump over to our home. Or holiday. We'll do holiday. We have nothing going into family birthdays, nothing going into gifts. Father's Day, we are not going to cash stuff this anymore. So I'm going to actually move this to the back of the binder. Father's Day is this Sunday, so make sure that you wish your father a happy Father's Day. For 4th of July, we are going to be putting $5 in with this. And all I gotta do is just get $30 in here by the 4th of July in case when we go do our cookout that we do every year, they need hot dogs, hamburgers, etc. We have all of that. Nothing's gonna go in the back to school, and this binder is done. I'm gonna do our home binder. Nothing's gonna go into Liam's, nothing's gonna go into Aiden's. Home maintenance is getting $5. And this has not been updated. I still gotta update that. I will try my best to get that updated by next video. Once this gets up to, I think the next payment I've got to make is like $105. Once this gets there, this will be emptied out and I'll pay that bill off. So 2, 4, 6, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77. So we're at $77. Car maintenance, this $30 that I had set aside is going to go into this. And that is, has that been updated? It might be updated. So we got 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 11, 12, and 13. 113. So this has not been updated, so I will update all of this. Nothing's going to go into medical. In yard work, we actually have a little bit that's we're going to fulfill this completely. So in the first one for this week, we are going to have $39. So it's going to be a 20, a 10, a 5, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then for last week, it's 26, 25, 26. So we're gonna put all this together. I know this probably does not make a lot of sense to y'all the way I'm doing it, but because we got paid, I got my income a little bit later than my husband's. This is just how I do it, just to make sure that everything is paid up. So 2, 4, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So this is filled so I can get my yard work done this week coming up. And that is going to be all in this envelope. In our bills, we have our HOA, which is getting $88. So we got a 50, a 20, a 10, a 5, 3 ones, 1, 2, and 3. So in our HOA, we have 100, 200, 300, 50, 400, 50, 500, 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. That's 600. $602. I'm about to make a payment with the HOA on July 1st. So about 200 and I think it's 230 of this is going to be taken out. I'm going to be paying this for a whole year starting January 1st. So I'm just trying to make sure that I have double the amount, and then I can go back to, right now I'm currently stuffing $88 per month, and then once we get to when I get back to January, I'm only going to be stuffing like $44. So I'm doubling this to kind of help me out. All right, so that's going to be it for the HOA. Now we're going to go into our business. Now my business consists of any forms of income that I make, so that it all goes in here so I'll know for a fact where I'm at. So the only thing we're currently cash stuffing is our taxes. I did empty out our taxes. I need to go through and see how much our taxes need to be up to and put a sticky note here so I can fulfill that. So we are going to be putting, and again, this is 2 different types of income. My Twitch pay from last week, and then I got a collaboration payment today. So we have $85, so 50, 20, 10, 5, and then we also have $4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. $100, $200, $50, $300, $320, $340, $360, $70, $75, $76, $77, $78, $79, $379 in my taxes. I do know that I need to add like $500 more in here because that's about how much I took out that I needed, but that's all in here right now. So now the last little bit is myself, which is 19, so 10, a 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then $2 for self for another one. I still have $5. Oh, I forgot. I do. Okay, I know where that one goes. Okay, so now we need to go into home. And we need to go to, whoops, into hair, where everything that I'm going to make for self is going to go into here because I need to get my hair done. So right now we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. $32 in hair. So that is done. And then the $5 actually goes to my birthday. It's going to be in our holiday binder. Household birthdays. And another 5. So we're at 20 for my birthday. If you enjoy this kind of content, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I kind of want to know, what are you having trouble with savings? Alright guys, I will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!